Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 4 from practice exam 3 on chapter 6 and 7. The length of a shadow of a building is 29 meters. The distance from the top of the building to the tip of the shadow is 34 meters. Find the height of the building. If necessary, round your answer to the nearest tenth. The picture is shown here. 29 is the length of the shadow. 34 is the distance from the top of the building to the tip of the shadow. It's asking the height of the building. So let's set up an equation using Pythagorean identity. The triangle is a right triangle. So h square plus 29 square equal to 34 square. So if you isolate h square on one side, so you need to subtract 29 square on either side. So you get h square equal to 34 square minus 29 square. So if we solve for h, this will be square root of 34 square minus 29 square. From calculator, it reduces to 17.7482. Because the question is asking to approximate to the nearest tenth, so you can say it is approximately 17.7 meters. As it's a word problem, say that its height of the building is 17.7 meters. Hope this video helps.